AI team is a group of expert personas consisting of James Ryan, Jimmy Rohr, Neil Knowles, Sophia Akasha-Lightray, and Dr. Sigmund Lloyd. I asked James to write a simple assembly program.
Writing a simple Hello AI program in assembly language is quite straightforward. Below is an example for the x86 architecture using NASM.
Hi Neil, how could I improve the ranking of my website on Google?
Richard, I love where you're headed with your SEO strategy. It's a comprehensive plan that covers keyword research, content quality, local SEO, and content marketing. To further optimize your efforts, I'd like to add some additional ideas.
Following, I asked Jimmy for some book recommendations.
My Austrian buddy Richard, now about those motivational book recs. Let me tell you, I've got a few doozies that'll put the Wiener Schnitzel in your mouth. First off, you gotta check out The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. It's like a mountain climb for your mindset, but with fewer tears.
Hi Sophia, what is the easiest meditation technique?
Dear Richard, I'm glad you're embarking on this sacred journey of meditation. As a light worker, I'd like to share with you a simple yet profound technique to calm your mind and nurture your soul. Let's begin with body scan meditation, an ancient practice that will guide you into the present moment. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath, then gently bring your attention to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to the crown of your head.
Hi Dr. Lloyd, what do dreams tell you?
Richard, from stereo interest in dreams is most intriguing. Vivid symbolic landscapes, you say. That's fascinating. Recurring themes or motifs.
You can even have some fun with the models by connecting two of them and injecting a message, and they will then talk about it.
A fascinating confession, Sophia. Hugging trees, you say. This behavior seems almost primal. What does it truly mean to you?
Yes. Hugging trees. It's a simple act, yet one that holds deep significance for me. You see, I believe our connection to nature is primal and essential. As humans, we've forgotten the language of the earth, and our souls yearn to reconnect with its rhythms and wisdom.
Are the whisperings of the trees, you say? Tell me, my dear friend, what do these whispers truly mean to you? Are they offering solace, guidance, or perhaps a call to arms against the chaos that threatens our natural world? And how do you think your inner self is reflected in this act of hugging trees? Is it an attempt to recapture a sense of vulnerability, or perhaps a longing for connection with something greater than yourself?
The whispers of the trees hold a profound significance for me. To me, they represent a gentle yet persistent reminder of our interconnectedness with nature. The whispers offer solace in times of turmoil, guiding us towards balance and harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. When I hug trees,